Question 3, probability with Venn diagrams. It doesn't say Venn diagrams, but I reckon the way into this part A is definitely by drawing a little Venn diagram, because you have to be doing art, music, both or neither. And there are 45 students, so we should have 45 altogether in there. 25 are taking part in art, but I'm not putting 25 in there because 12 do art and music, meaning there must be 13 doing art alone because they add up to make your 25 art students. Now, since everything else is adding up to 45 and 45 take 25 is 20, the maximum number of people that could be there would be 20, wouldn't they? But those 20 could also be there. So I'm going to sort of put a dotted thing around there to think about it. Now, quite a few people went for between 0 and 20, which is what this figure is here. But the range of possible values of x is not 0 and 20, because x is all those taking part in music. And your smallest possible number taking music is 12. And if you add 20 to that, those 20 there, plus 12 would make 32 is possible there. So your range of values of x is going to be that for your 2 marks. If you've got 0 to 20, you can give yourself 1. Right, now, one student is selected at random. Determine whether or not it's possible for the events A and M to be independent. So, if they are independent, and this is in your formula booklet, for independent events, the probability of A intersection B, both of them happening together, is the probability of one happening times the probability of the other one happening. So, the probability of A intersection M is going to equal the probability of A multiplied by the probability of M. So, is it possible for that to be random? Well, the probability for art would be 25 out of 45. We don't know how many are doing music. That's what was called x, wasn't it? So, over 45, sorry. So times that by x out of 45 would give you 12 out of 45, because we know there's 12 in there, so we know the probability is 12 out of 45. So is it possible to get 12 students like that? Well, I don't know why I keep putting x there. If you multiply everything by 45, you get 25x is equal to 12. Therefore, if you divide by 25, you get x is 12 25ths. Now, you've got 45 people altogether, so 12 25ths of 45 equals, if you whack that into your calculator, you get 21.6. Now, is it possible for there to be 21.6 students doing music? No, it's not. So, not possible for A and M to be independent. And for your final mark, it's important to say this, as 21.6 is not an integer. Anything which shows that you know that that would need to be a whole number before it was possible for them to be independent will get you the marks.